So if you're an educator and thinking about doing STEM coupled with computer science, mechanics, and AI, start teaching your students whether they're in kindergarten or in high school, you should think about our Junior Botball Challenge program and our Botball program. So to get a good feel for those, we are now in the middle of Botball season. We run regional events all around the country, and I would strongly invite you. You can go to www.KIPR.org and you can look at the regional events and then come on down. Just come on down and spend an hour and come up and introduce yourself, and I can let you talk to teachers who are implementing this in the classroom. We can let you go look at students who are doing it. You can get a real feel from people who are on the ground working with the program how it all works. We'll have scholarships next year as well. NASA's a big funder, so let's say you're a brand new team and you want to play. NASA usually covers about 60 to 70% of the cost playing, and I don't have the cost set for next year, but I guarantee you by the time the scholarships hit, it's one of the cheapest robot platforms around to do. And again, this is autonomous, so we're talking AI, and there's no remote control here. So if you're aware of that's what the future is, not driving a car with remote control, but actually controlling it with software and AI, then this is where you need to be.